Welcome to SAP training course. We will talk about the solution for where the goods are shipped from in SAP due to US tariffs or other countries' tariffs. When your goods are shipped to US or other country, it needed to be provided the place of production information. So let's see how it works in SAP. As you can see the business process. You can provide this data in material data. When the customer order is confirmed by customer and salesman, it can be printed or emailed in order confirmation for your customers. When the goods delivery to your customer, it also can be printed or emailed in packing list for customs. Let's see the detail of solution. First for all, define material with country of origin. You can create a material with foreign trade export view. Then you can input the country of origin data. Second, you can use an add-on order confirmation which has material as country of origin. You can see the detail information about add-on field and table for the order confirmation. Finally, you can use an add-on packing list which has country of origin data. As you can see the sample for packing list, the order items country of origin data as made in the packing list.
Thank you for joining us in this SAP SD training module. Until next time, keep learning, keep optimizing. Please subscribe and open the ring if you enjoy this video.